Ever hit this frustrating problem parsing the package error on your Android device when trying to install an app from an APK file? This common issue usually boils down to a few key culprits, and today, we're going to tackle them one by one, so you can get your apps installed without a hitch. First, let's address the most frequent cause of corrupted or incomplete APK file when you download an APK from the internet. It's essential that the download completes successfully. If your download was interrupted or the file source itself was faulty, the data can be jumbled, making it impossible for your phone to read it. The best solution here is to simply re-download the APK file from a trusted and reliable source. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection for the download once it's complete. Try to install it again if the problem persists. The issue might be with the app itself or its compatibility with your device. Next, ensure that your device is configured to allow installations from unknown sources. While this is usually a prerequisite, sometimes it gets toggled off unexpectedly. Go into your device's settings. Then look for security or apps. You should find an option titled Unknown Sources or Install Unknown Apps. Make sure this is enabled. This setting allows you to install applications that aren't from the official Google Play Store. If you're installing an app that was previously working or updating an existing one, try clearing the cache and data for the package installer. Navigate to your phone settings, then find the apps section from there. You'll need to show system apps. You can usually do this by tapping the three dots in the top corner and selecting Show System. Locate Package Installer, tap on it, and then select Storage. Here you'll find options to clear cache and clear data. After clearing the cache and data, restart your phone and attempt to install the APK again. This often refreshes the installation process and can resolve temporary glitches. Finally, consider app compatibility. Some apps are designed for specific Android versions. If you're trying to install an app made for a newer Android version on an older device, or vice versa, you might encounter this parsing error. Always try to find an APK version that is compatible with your current Android operating system. By checking these common causes and applying these steps, you should be able to overcome the problem parsing the package error and enjoy your new apps.